MICRON Computerized eForce Height Gauge, a professional computerized height gauge for Industry 4.0. Patented MICS system with 2.4 touchscreen, multifunctional interface allows fast switching between modes. Touchscreen navigation improves usability. Internal memory with statistical tools store measurement results directly on the device. Graphical display mode instantly view trends and variations with line charts. Useful for quality control and batch monitoring. Electronic force module adjustable from 1 to 20 newtons. Ideal for materials from soft plastics to hardened metals. Adjustable force ensures stable contact, reduces operator influence, and prevents deformation. Micron Swiss reading system. High-precision Swiss-made scale ensures excellent repeatability and long-term measurement stability. Wireless data transfer, Bluetooth and HID. Send data instantly to MDS app or directly into spreadsheets. Auto force mode. Automatic data capture when the selected force is reached. Speeds up repetitive measurements.